Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz and this is Brian O'Neill, and we're here today at Coast to Coast International here in the R&D Center to share with you some of the latest CCI restyling and wheel accessories. Let's go. This is an automotive grade ABS liner that is designed and manufactured to fit over and into this specific wheel. Brian, tell us what we have here today.
This is your 18 to 19 Jeep Wrangler JL wheel. Start by removing your OEM center cap. Line up your valve stem. Pop into place and reinstall your OEM center cap.
It'll probably take Brian longer to wipe off his fingerprints than it'll actually do to install the wheel skin. So an Impostor wheel skin does three things. One, as you saw, it instantly changes the finish of the wheel. Two, if you're at a dealership, it can upgrade the trim level appearance of a vehicle. And three, if you do have some wheel damage, maybe you have some brake dust that's eating away at the finish, maybe your clear coat's peeling off, the Impostor wheel skin will instantly cover that aesthetic damage and essentially repair the wheel. For additional information or to see more, visit us online at coasttocoastinternational.com.